How to set a WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how you can do it, so let's start. For that you may open up your WhatsApp application, and then once you open it up you should be finding this chat interface on your home screen of WhatsApp. Now what you can do first is, you can go ahead and tap on the three dot at the top and go ahead and locate up settings from the menu. After opening up settings, you may scroll down and look for the option called storage and data. And then after going over to storage and data, we have this option of media upload quality. So go ahead and tap on it. After that, you may select HD quality. And save the changes. When you go ahead and save up the changes, it will make your upload quality HD whenever you send it or even update your profile picture. So the other thing you need to ensure is you are using a proper photo, because that may be the reason. If your photo is in a very low quality, it will automatically degrade more. So make sure that, and you also need to ensure that you have a proper internet connection. You have a 4G internet connection that is helping you go ahead and upload your photo at the best quality. So in order to update after everything is done, tap on settings again and go over and click on your profile. You may click on it. After clicking on it, you may go ahead and select up a picture from your gallery and update it and save your changes. And that's it. That is how you update your photo in your WhatsApp in best quality. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.